Hi everyone, and welcome to this flip through of another writing set, I shall call it. This time we've gone shabby. So shabby chic, and I absolutely love it. Shabby chic is my favourite sort of genre, if you like, and this is shabby. Not only is it shabby, it's pearlescent. I don't know if you can see that shine there, but it's all this really beautiful high quality paper that gleams, shines. It's beautiful. So anyway, let's get in and see what it is. It's held together with this cream satin bow, and when we undo that, you can see that the front pocket part has a pocket on it as well as being a pocket, and this one says strawberry, and it's got three beautiful little tags in, all pearlescent. Everything's pearlescent, and on the back it's inked around, and there's a little flower in the corner of each one, and they fit nicely in there. Perfect to grab and write a quick note on, and when you've used them you can put your own photographs in there or your own tags. And there's a lovely little butterfly here with a little gem on, and the pocket itself is just a beautiful image of strawberries and forget-me-nots, roses. It's just pretty. And then tucked into this pocket here we've got this, which is just a little, it's a massive journaling card really, with loads of space to journal on. This lovely collage here, once again, it's all gleams. It's just so pretty, and I've cut down into that to give it it sort of looks a bit like a file folder really, and that just slots into there, so you can make your notes, then pop it back in, and then this all folds down like so. And here we have a belly band with lace down each side, and a really big journaling card. You know, it really is big, and it's got a flower on it as well. It's all inked around with an ink called Tattered Rose, which was new to me, but it won't be a stranger. I absolutely love it. It's just so shabby. Lace down there, and then this sort of patchwork design in cream. So I'll leave that out, and we'll come to the top, to this bit. This has got this little sort of collage on, the strip and the butterfly with a gem on it, and it's got a journaling card in here, which is just beautiful. It's sort of a shabby cream patchwork, stenciled on the back, inked, covered in coffee stained paper, and it slides nicely into there, and it's got a tag on it there so you can remember it's there, and that flips up, and then we've got this pocket here, little butterfly, and three more journaling tags in, well, two tags and a little journaling card. Once again, it's just pretty. I'm just going to keep saying that word because it's just pretty. It's so pretty. And they go into there, which then brings us to the central portion of it, and it's these two kind of duck egg blue really. They're beautiful, and they flip open to reveal this. And down here, down this side, we've got a whole pocket down here with some ribbon and some butterflies, and tucked into the pocket we've got three little journaling cards, all inked around, sewn around onto coffee stained paper with a little flower stamp in the corner. This one actually says strawberry on it, and it's just strawberries and roses. It's just beautiful. Sewn around, they all are sewn around, they're all stamped on, they're all coffee stained on to the reverse. And look at that, that's a beautiful little one, little postcard with strawberries on it. And as I say, that's all sewn around. And on this side, got two little pockets sewn around, and two little tags in. These two little tags. Strawberries on that one, and forget-me-nots on this one, and they just pop into there. And in the centre we've got this kind of half belly band here, and we've got a little envelope in there, and inside the envelope is 2 journaling cards, and once again they're coffee stains stamped on. The envelope has been printed both sides, so it's got a lovely design inside, and it tucks just into that belly band there. And here's a journal. Easy to spot, isn't it, with a word journal on it? But look at that paper. It's stop saying pretty. It's nice. And it's been double printed, so inside we've got really nice paper as well. And then we've got the pages of our journal all inked around, all got flowers on, different flowers, so it's really nice. And that just tucks into there. And this pocket's got a bit of lace on it, so it all folds up. They fold in, that folds in. This journaling card goes into there, and that folds up, and tie it up. And then on the back we've got this, which is a big pocket and a journal, another journal, just in case you didn't have enough room to write. And it too has been printed back and front, so the inside is just as nice, and lots of pages with butterflies in the corners. So there we are. That's this writing set, journaling set. Lovely pink butterfly there. It just folds over onto that side, and you tie it up, and there you go. I think this would make the perfect Christmas present, really, for someone that you know that likes to write, or is going away for a weekend or a little holiday or something, and they can keep all their memories, all their musings, all their thoughts in one place. And it's so pretty to use, but so simple to use because everything's there for you. So thanks for watching. This will be in my Etsy shop very soon. Bye.